The Framework Laptop 16 is one of the most unique laptops in the world, built by Framework with a completely different philosophy compared to traditional brands. Instead of being a fixed device, this laptop is designed to be fully modular, upgradeable, and repairable. Meaning you can change parts like RAM, storage, ports, keyboard layout, and even the GPU over time instead of buying a new laptop. It features a 16-inch 4K display with 165Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals and a large workspace for productivity, gaming, and creative work. It runs on AMD Ryzen processor, and you can optionally add a dedicated graphics card, turning it into a capable gaming or creator machine. Performance is solid for most tasks, including gaming and content creation, but it doesn't always bear traditional high-end gaming laptops at the same price. The focus here is more on flexibility and long-term usability rather than raw power. Battery life is decent, and the build uses aluminum. Through some reviews, mentioned design can feel less rugged compared to premium comparison. Overall, the Framework Laptop 16 is perfect for users who want maximum customization, easy repair, and future upgrades. Thank you.